Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study pharmaceutical chemistry. Begin by mastering organic chemistry fundamentals, especially reaction mechanisms and functional groups. Next, grasp essential biochemistry concepts, focusing on how drugs interact with biological systems. Finally, familiarize yourself with medicinal chemistry definitions and drug classifications to build a strong base for advanced topics. This foundational knowledge is crucial for understanding drug action. Once you have a solid foundation, delve into the drug discovery process, from identifying targets to optimizing lead compounds. It's vital to study pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics to understand how drugs move through and affect the body. Additionally, investigate drug metabolism pathways and potential drug interactions, as these are critical for drug safety and efficacy. Next, master essential analytical techniques such as spectroscopy and chromatography, which are crucial for drug analysis and quality control. Understand the principles of quality assurance in pharmaceutical manufacturing to ensure product safety and efficacy. Also, learn about regulatory affairs and good manufacturing practices, as these govern the entire drug production process. Finally, explore advanced topics like rational drug design and complex synthesis strategies. Apply your accumulated knowledge to real-world case studies, which will deepen your understanding of practical challenges. Continuously stay updated with emerging trends and new technologies in pharmaceutical chemistry to remain current and competitive in the field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.